Okay guys, today I will show you how to cut garment in garment industry. So this is our very first process which we called as spreading. You can see the fabric is actually spreading here. We have 4 persons. This process is also called layering. Now you can see they have fabric rule, and they are first lapping it lapping it in the floor so that they may easily spread the fabric. You can see now, you can see this is actually woven fabric. We have knit and woven both facilities, and now you can see, yes, that ply has been spreaded. Now the operator will cut the lay, and now this is another ply. Similarly, this process will carry on until we have required number of plies. You can see now the next process is actually cutting. Now I will show you how it carries on. Okay, so once the layering is done, we have cake uh, in this form, and this is what we have: marker, a paper. Actually we have shapes on it. These are actually the shapes of panels we are needing. This marker is actually we get from plotter. We have a separate GGD department, and you can see XL size, and A means A part. In garment we have A part, B part, C part. So this is XL size and A part. You can see this is also XL size and A part, and you can see plenty of shapes on that marker. Now what the operator will do, operator will use a manual cutter machine and run on this marker as per criteria given on the marker. We have these uh, holders so that the marker will not place freely, will not move freely on the lay. You can see this is our lay, and now I will show you how the operator cuts the lay actually. Let me show you. Now we have cutting process actually which is going to happen. You can see the operator is applying that holders on the cake so that the marker may not move freely on the lay, and he is wearing that safety glove which is very important. It is made up of iron, and now you can see he has turned on the machine, and if I can show you closer, as I told you, as per the requirement, as per marking on the marker, you can say this marker is actually behaving as a trace paper, and the operator will run the machine same as per requirement. This is based. You can see that how close the cutter of that machine. That's why he's wearing the glove. You know, safety is very important. Safety comes first. congratulations, we have our first piece, you can say XL size A garment. These are the number of plies, and now it will go straight to the bundling. Now let me show you the bundling process. Here is our bundling process. You can see the operator is doing stickering for shade variation, because we have shade in the garment, that's why he is doing stickering. You can see he is drawing stickering, that sticker, and similarly you have we have bundles here. All will tie up in this way, and it will goes to the RFI or embellishment department.